Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up with an email on Airbnb. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your web browser and type airbnb.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on the sign up button. Click on sign up with an email button. Here, enter your email address, first name, last name, password and your birth date. Click here if you want to receive updates via email. Now click on the sign up button. Click on accept. Click on get started. Now you can update your profile by uploading your photo, or you can simply skip for now. Confirm your phone number or skip for now. Now it will ask you to confirm our email address. So go to your email. Click on the inbox from Airbnb. Now click on the confirm email button. Now you are all set. You can now start exploring Airbnb. So guys, this is how you sign up with an email on Airbnb. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.